Hey, goddesses. How you doing? How you doing? Look, I hope your day is glorious. Yes. I hope it's spectacular. I hope it's amazing. I hope it's splendid even. Yes. So look, today we're going to just do a little bit of work around making yourself a priority. And the All Things Goddessy group on Facebook. I did a post the other day, and one of the things that I got back around, what makes it hard, what's hard for you. And what I got back was making myself a priority, like an overwhelming response. So I decided to drop a few affirmations here to help you align with making yourself a priority, because goddesses, feeling guilty about not making ourselves a priority doesn't help us make ourselves a priority. Aligning ourselves with that energy, sugar, that's what helps us to do it. So go on and sit back. I'm going to give you a few affirmations. Use them as you see fit. Okay? All right. So the first affirmation is, I am important. And sometimes we just have to remember that, goddesses. I am important. Okay, the next one is, how I feel matters. And I know it sounds simple, but when we're not making ourselves a priority, we're not living by these two truths. How I feel matters, and how I feel is important. Like, we're not living by them. I may have mixed it up, but how I am important and how I feel matters. We're not living by that if we're not making ourselves a priority. The next affirmation is, my mental, emotional, and physical well-being are important. Because they are. Okay, I mean, I can't say it any plainer than that. They are. The next affirmation is, I am worthy of a life that is joyous, peaceful, and balanced. And when we are not making ourselves a priority, usually our lives are not the most joyous place. They tends to be a little chaotic and not much balance. So I am worthy of this. And our last affirmation is, it is okay to tell others no in order to take care of myself and my well-being. Yes. And I just realized I left one out. So y'all can get that one too. All right. Here it is. When I make myself a priority, I teach others to do the same. Go on and sit with it for a minute. I'm gonna have a sip of tea while you sit with it. Go on and sit with it, honey. Sit with it. Okay? So what I'm gonna encourage you to do is pick you 1 or 5 of these affirmations and just look at yourself and say them in the morning, and no judgment, no bullying yourself, no like, I'm gonna get, just start dropping it into your spirit. Start dropping these truths in, and just see how your day goes, and see how the day after that goes, and the day after that goes. I guarantee you, if you continue to just tap into this energy, you'll begin to find more and more ways to make yourself a priority in your own life. All right, goddesses, that's it. And that is all. All right. Look, if you want more of this, join me over on Patreon. And I'm going to include the Patreon link. It's either in the description, in my bio, or it's in the description of the post. Join me. I'm working on this right now, just uploading a whole workshop on making yourself a priority and how to actually do like real life steps to make yourself a priority in your own life. All righty, goddesses, that's it, and that's all. I see y'all soon. And how do we do all things? We do all things goddessy. All righty. Bye-bye.